places of beauty and relaxation, even the smallest detail matters. Exposure to water and weather can quickly mar the beauty and integrity of these spaces. Megachem introduces Megalastic Super 540 uses advanced science to provide a seamless barrier that protects against water seepage. Designed for both functionality and long-lasting performance, Megalastic Super 540 ensures your spaces remain beautiful and durable.
Megalastic Super 540 is our preferred choice for maintaining the quality and appearance of our high-end facilities.
The perfect blend of science and quality for your recreational and aesthetic spaces. Choose Megalastic Super 540, the most recommended waterproofing product by engineers.